Setting up Brisk Chat for your website. Setting up Brisk Chat on your website is quick and straightforward, allowing you to start supporting customers in real time. To begin, navigate to the Settings area in your Brisk Chat dashboard and switch to the Installation tab. Here, you'll find a pre-made code snippet that's ready to use. Click the copy icon to save the snippet to your clipboard. Next, paste this code snippet into your website's HTML. In most cases, it's best placed just before the closing body tag, though the exact location may depend on how your website is structured. Once the code is saved and published, the Brisk Chat widget will automatically appear on your site in the bottom right corner. With the chat widget live, you can start testing the chat experience. As the account owner, you are already assigned to the default queue. All conversations are managed from the Chats page, where you and your support team can see and reply to incoming messages. Before testing the chat, make sure Accept New Chats is enabled. If this option isn't turned on, customers won't be able to connect with an agent. To test the setup, visit the website where you installed the chat widget. You will see the chat icon at the bottom right of the page. Clicking it opens a short pre-chat form where you enter a name and describe why you need help. Selecting Start Chat will immediately begin the conversation. If a message appears saying no agents are available, return to the Chats page and confirm that Accept New Chats is turned on. When you switch back to the Chats page, you'll see the conversation exactly as your support agents will, allowing you to respond in real time. At this point, Brisk Chat is fully set up and ready to help you connect with your website visitors instantly. For more Brisk Chat tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.